So after a week of rain, off and on, dreary days, it's lightening up and we're supposed to get sun tomorrow and the rest of the week. So looking forward to that. Right now, headed up to do night chores at the barn. Can hear the goats calling for their dinner. So let's go on up. Who's that? Laredo? Is that you, baby? No, Luna. Laredo's in the back. So Lily and her baby, which we have named, and I will tell you in a little bit. Hey, get down, Laredo. You're not supposed to be up there. All right, Luna, you're home. Okay, let me get your food. So Luna's on the stand having her grain, putting it all up. And while she's doing that, let me go show you what we did. Hi, ladies. Now, do we have any eggs? Let's see. Oh my goodness! 5 eggs. You can see them. 5 eggs. Okay, this was our old coop right here. And now we have put the little babies in here. Hi, guys. How you liking this new place? I also have room here on this side because I'm going to be getting 15 meat checks. And so they will go on this side with a heat lamp. But these guys are big enough, they're all feathered out. They've got their food and their water and deep bedding there. It's not gonna be too cold. I am gonna shut this door, but they should be all good. But before I forget, let me shut the door. All right. Okay, let's see how, girls, how you doing? How you doing? There's the rogue over there, one always by itself. How you doing, girls? Let's see. She knows it's almost her turn. Huh, Lily? Lily is doing much better. She started eating her grain and she's producing more milk. I had a fecal done and she's all good with no worms. She's doing really well. Come in, sweetie. Hey, little one, Owen. The little guy had his horns burned. So he had a little bit of a hard time there for a minute, but as soon as we got him back home, he was fine. He went and drank from Mom, and it's been great ever since. So he's doing good. Hey, baby. He's going to come out in a minute, and I'll show you how he jumps and runs all around. Of course, I want to show you, so he may not do it tonight, but he usually does. There he is right there. Hey, cutie. Hey, little guy. I want to tell you, everybody your name in a little while. Do you remember your name? We finally named you. What's your name? Do you remember? And everybody in here, what are you guys? This is the overflow group. They're waiting for their hay. It's been so dreary this weekend, so they haven't gone out much and they're kind of getting, okay, you can tell the hay's coming. There they are. All right, you done, Lily, Luna? All right, perfect. All right, let's put you in and get Lily out. Hey, getting ready to come out. All right, coming out. Come on, Lily. Atta girl, up, up. Good job. And here he goes. Hey, little guy. Hey, buddy. How you doing, cutie? Checking out the chickens. Can you do her thing? She loves to have him out here with her. But he's not running around like he usually does. 5 eggs.
Here you go, come on. There you go.
I think you just sit in one place and get him going around. Hey, Lily. Hi, my baby. Good girl. What are you doing, little guy? Chewing on
Chewing
the
your
coat.
jacket.
I need to get up there. Get, thank you. Oh, he's ready to come right back.
There he is again. Hey, get down. Come on.
You
Hey,
can't.
no,
No, it's not your
come
turn. Get away from my dirty dude. And now to let you know, his name is Forrest. It's out there.
Big new world out there. What's he doing?
We're heading home from picking up our baby chicks for our meat birds. And there they are. In the box, 15. We'll get them home and in their brooder very quickly. And here's our baby chicks. A little bit later, a few days later, in their home. And on the other side, we have those 2 lavender Orpingtons and speckled Sussex. Getting bigger all the time. And these little ones here. And in a couple days, I'm going to get a few more little layers, put them right in here with these meat birds. 15 little meat birds. And there's a little feeding trough on it. And there's the water. And all the things. They're looking good. Pretty sure that guy's a rooster. Okay. Over here's all the big girls. I'm gonna put those pullets in with them pretty soon. We'll see.